starting and threw it back. You see what it is? We is over for the day. Huh?
It's like,
yeah.
It's a little more aggressive too.
I talked a lot of shit about this.
Yes. What's up, YZ family? Guess what it is? It is October. It is Halloween season. So today we're gonna take this bike off in these treacherous, creepy woods. Y'all stay tuned, man. Happy holidays. Stay safe. Don't let them kids get too much of that candy coming down. You know what I'm saying? I better put a lock on the cover because as you see, turn that camera, show where we at. All y'all kids, get ready to have a great, safe summer. Have a great, safe October, but at the same time, hit that like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I might throw you a little candy, I might see you a little something. YouTube, what's going, man? Another beautiful day out here in Atlanta, Georgia. I ain't gonna cap, man. We getting sun, we getting heat, so guess what we on? You on them bikes, man. In the last video, I'm getting ready for a G and double C. So it ain't no sleep, ain't no rest. I gotta get the wind back right, shape back right. Man, I got the 125 on the back of the dirty Durango. Bruh. So man, I ain't gonna talk your ear off. We got a like and a subscribe button down there. I need you to hit it, please. Anyway, let's get it. Y'all see what's going? Y'all bumped into that boy Leak and that boy Kendall. Back in my favorite spot, and this is day 2 of the training for the G and double C. So what I'm working on today, I'm gonna do me 10-minute motos, standing, no clutch. Then I'm gonna go through some single trails, coming in the corners, no clutch. So yeah, man, that's what we on today. Today's mission, man, get a little bit better, get a little bit better, a little bit faster. We got old YZ baby out here. Be ready, man.
Huh? This is so bouncy.
You saying so bad?
This is like,
yeah. This your first time on the two-stroke?
yeah, first time on the shoot. Like, I rode an RT100 like years ago.
Okay.
When I was like probably 10.
Okay.
It's been a while since I've been on a two-stroke. I just rode a KX 250 like for a straightaway.
Fast.
But
Yeah, that motherfucker, it's gonna dance all back here, boy, that thing.
it's light though. I like that part.
Right. Take your way back around. Oh shit.
I'm getting arm pro like a motherfucker, boy.
Back here, boy.
This shit is different. Like it's a little more aggressive too.
They got that little, I like them, bro. I ain't never.
People be like, oh, they problematic and all that other stuff.
Racist, bro. All they do is send me their garage all day. They got 3 KSs, 2 YZs, a CR, and a Suzuki. But these are their race bikes, the KSs. Yeah, and they dogging. All them boys placing first, second, third all day.
I just need to go get my sag and shit done, like my clicks and shit in the front. It is a little stiff.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, that'll get your arm put.
But the cornering good though.
So it ain't washing out.
Yeah, it's good. The cornering good. It's lighter than my CR2.
For real? Tooth off, yeah.
I want 2 clicks in at the top.
Yes, sir.
Bruh. Look at some more for me.
What you wanted in? Okay, so we going in. We going to your.
Yeah.
Yep. That's 1, 2.
Alright. It's stiffer though.
Yeah,
Still
there.
about 1 or 2 more. Hey, yo, chill.
My boy getting that thing right.
Man.
Need them pull that KX out. We got a little bounce going. I know how I did though. That 2-stroke.
A lot better. It's still bouncy, but
Yeah.
You gonna have to flip your
I'm calling your ass, but I didn't know where that yellow come from. I'm looking around. Though. I'd have to take a hammer.
Yep. It go down on the spring.
At least we get on the clickers.
It's just gonna be bouncy, bro.
I'm just gonna putt around.
So they got the cameraman out here. Get some shoots in.
That shot a little less bouncy.
Exactly. That boy feel that thing now.
I can see why people say 2 strokes are fun though.
Yeah.
But once that power band kicks in, it's kind of like, oh shit.
Go, dude. Hey, we
Feel like
going.
a rush.
Just outside having a little fun right now. Like I said, gotta get my wind up. So I had getting a little conditioning in, nothing too much. Out here with the homies. Got the cameraman getting some of the exclusive shots. So yeah, man, we ain't doing
this
nothing.
kind of they look, yeah.
Wait till you get to that next, that berm, the big berm.
Yeah, oh.
Boy, be back there getting busy and on back there on country wood. Real deal workouts out here. Yeah, I seen a little washing. You got there, you did good though. You saved the hell out of it. Oh shit.
I knew I was good. I knew I was good.
Yeah.
Fuck the run, it's the cardio.
They look little.
Look how much better he look on the 4-stroke.
That's why I said he got there used to that right there.
Better on the 4-stroke, bro. Hey, he not gonna say it. Look, if he not gonna say it, he not gonna. He like it. He like it.
Hey, I talked a lot of shit about this thing.
Hold on, I said he not gonna say it, but he like that. He went and kept it on
I
lap.
like how it sits you up though. Like you feel at home a little bit.
It kind of feel like a Honda, don't it?
No. Nah.
They got the most power out of the 250s.
You know, you could plant that shit damn near anywhere.
Right.
Damn, I got a black Stop playing. Oh my god. Yeah. Yep. Shop open still? Yeah, it's not on the bead anymore either.
It's all good.
So you might be straight.
Even this front tire is kind of low.
Oh yeah, he could use a little air. Just a tad.
Yeah, that bitch swapped tomorrow.
You did, ain't nothing.
Back there, 70 to 200. I'll come out of this turn. Rock. We be done.
So the streets, bro, they fun to ride, but they tricky, bro.
Bad. That's why I say I gotta go YZ 250. dope, boy.
So this is the thing. I feel like coming out of that turn, you gotta just get on the gas, stay consistent, brake, back brake, all the way to about this tree, then transfer the speed to go around it. Cause if you come in, I mean, you could roll speed it through, but
Right.
Look down, bro.
Hey, that one finna goddamn be on my left right side right there. Had to catch that one.
one thing I realized, like when I start to focus on one thing,
I
forget about the other.
Fact.
Get to the front.
Oh yeah.
I hit the back brake.
Oh yeah, that was hard. You
Oh,
cut
no.
clean though. You got them came in and cut.
We'll probably start from down there, just zoom in tight all the way to 200 to where like the berm is in the front. Yeah, you lead it back. Lead it back.
But I feel like I'm a jail with more than and I was on it.
Yes, Lord. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. These bikes done got what? Dingy. My boy, they're loading up. Leaked already and threw it back. You see what it is. We is over for today. Huh? I said,
Threw it back.
threw it.
Hey, yo, what the f?
Whoa, hold on.
Pause that.
Pause that. I meant to say he threw that bike on the back. Oh, God. Listen, we just had to get in the woods today.
Hey, man. Y'all go subscribe to my boy, man.
Come on.
If you enjoying the good vibes, go subscribe, bro. That's all we ask.
That's it.
It's free. If you see the video, you like it, subscribe, smash the like button.
That's it.
You guys first watch how your life turn around, bro.
Straight jacket, hey. Heard that man just said, without G.O.D. ain't none of this possible.
Nothing
For real.
possible. You make it
Yeah.
back to the truck every time.
Every time.
Best thing to do, man.
Come on.
Thank God.
That's it. Amen.
Thank God. Subscribe, like the video.
Come on. Y'all go follow my boy, Elite GT. Same thing. Vice versa. Y'all know what it is. All the folks gonna be dropped down in the bottom. Follow, like, subscribe, and y'all stay blessed, man. I love y'all.